So friends, welcome to another altcoin update video. Today we're focusing on Aptos, which has been a popular request from you to take a closer look at where potential buy zones are and how things might progress from here. We'll cover all of that in today's video. There are also further predictions as to what the bull run goals might be, how things will continue. Stay tuned until the end. If you have any other altcoin wishes, please write them in the comments below and I will work through them one by one. Before we start, leave a like, subscribe, and join the Telegram group if you're interested in updates, news, and signals. You can find the links in the video description. If you want to buy Aptos, you can do so on my partner exchange. You can find the links for that in the description or comments. If you want to buy it, you can do so on my partner exchange. I am happy to do it, so you support the channel, and of course me too. You can find the links in the video description. In the comments section, yes, Aptos is currently ranked 29 on CoinMarketCap with a market cap of 5.1 billion, so it's definitely not a low cap anymore. If we take a look at the price, we had our all-time high up here at around 18 to 19. It's also important to always consider the market cap. And that's something that seems a bit concerning to me, to be honest, because the market cap has obviously increased significantly. But as you can see, the previous all-time highs have not been reached again. That's definitely a small risk factor that you should keep in mind, and that's why the price targets for a potential bull run or a possible altcoin season should be set a bit lower. Despite everything, we also had a very strong rally from our low at $4, which peaked at around $15 in the last few weeks. That means we almost tripled the price here. Then we entered the golden pocket. Here's a quick overview of the golden pocket drawn from our March high to our low. You can see the golden pocket here, so this movement isn't really bullish, especially since we've already been rejected at the golden pocket again. Nevertheless, there are short-term opportunities. On one hand, we've just seen a very strong sell-off, which doesn't look too bad right now because we even have a small bullish divergence. This means the price could actually move up in the next few hours, depending on how Bitcoin and the overall market behave. This could be a very good long entry point since we have the golden pocket down here from the entire upward movement we've had over the past few weeks, along with the correction. Plus, we've closed the inefficiency here, so there could be a really good long opportunity for those thinking a bit more long term. Review the stop loss. It's significant at 14-16%. Keep an eye on it. Volume has been poor. Watch closely. There's a long opportunity. Target Fibonacci level 14.39 to 860. SMA in range indicating short-term potential. Volume-wise, it's been really poor over the last few days. Well, we had a lot of holidays in between, so that's something to consider. That means we should keep a close watch on this, but there is definitely a long opportunity here. If everything goes well, the short-term target could be the Fibonacci level from our high at 1439 down to our low at 860, which would even allow for a rise towards 1218 or 1230. The SMA, that's this purple line here, is also there, so there is enough upside potential, at least in the short term. Let's take a look at the daily chart. It looks okay. We've hit the 200 SMA on the daily view and filled inefficiency. The golden pocket hasn't been reached yet, but it may not need to be. The 200 SMA has held up well. I'd place a small buy at 25% and a second at 570 if reachable. It's hard to assess due to short chart history and rising market cap. I'd be cautious, aiming for 25 to 28 hours. The bottom formation could already be complete here, which means I would even place the first small buy order at 25%, and the second would be around 570, if we can even reach that. Bull run targets here, as I said, are very difficult to assess, because firstly, we don't have such a long chart and the market cap has continued to rise. So here I would be a bit more cautious with the targets and would even go up to a maximum of $25 to $28. That would be so. It would still be a lot more than the current prices. If we look at it, it will be around 200 to 200.30%, so it's still going up. As I said, due to market cap and things like that. Since the supply has continued to rise, that would be my maximum target for now. I'd love to hear your price predictions in the comments below. From a trading perspective, this is a very interesting point right now. So drop your altcoin requests in the comments as well. Otherwise, I wish you a great day. Take care and we'll catch up in the next video. Until then, ciao ciao. And as always, stay crypto.